Ready to score big in English? Welcome to 5-Star English. Today we power up your speaking with high-energy sports expressions that will make your conversations play like champions. Today's lesson introduces 15 sports-themed expressions split into 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. You will learn meanings, quick usage tips, and sample sentences you can practice aloud, and finish with a role-play championship where you use the idioms in real-life conversations. First phrase is ball is in your court. Ball is in your court. This idiom means it is now your turn to act or decide. You have the responsibility to make the next move. Use it when someone needs to respond or take action after you have done your part. Now let's look at a couple sample sentences you can practice aloud.
I finished the draft, so now the ball is in your court to approve it.
I gave him the details, so the ball is in your court to call the client.
Hit it out of the park. Hit it out of the park. This idiom means to perform extremely well, or to exceed expectations, often used after a big success like a presentation or performance. Use it to praise someone who nailed their task. Synonyms include knock it out of the park and crush it.
Her product demo really hit it out of the park, and the investors were impressed.
If you prepare well, you can hit it out of the park at the interview.
Team player. Team player. This phrase describes someone who cooperates and supports their colleagues to reach team goals. Employers often look for team players in interviews. Related beginner idiom. Level the playing field.
She is a great team player who helps others meet deadlines.
To win this project, we all have to be team players and share our strengths.
Level the playing field. Level the playing field. This idiom means to make conditions fair so everyone has an equal chance. Use it when changes are made to reduce advantage or disadvantage. Related phrase. Fair shot and connects to team player.
The government introduced subsidies to level the playing field for new businesses.
Giving everyone the same training will help level the playing field at work.
Drop the ball. Drop the ball. This means to make a mistake by not doing something you were supposed to do. It often refers to missed responsibilities. Use it to admit an error or to describe someone who forgot an important task.
The manager said he dropped the ball on scheduling that meeting.
If we drop the ball on quality control, customers will complain.
Throw in the towel. Throw in the towel. This idiom means to give up or stop trying. It comes from boxing, where a trainer throws a towel to end the match. Use it when someone decides to stop pursuing something.
After the third failed attempt, she almost threw in the towel, but then she found a solution.
Don't throw in the towel on your training program. Progress takes time.
Play hardball. Play hardball. This means to use firm, sometimes ruthless tactics to achieve your goals. often used in business or negotiations when someone stops being conciliatory.
When the supplier pushed back, our buyer decided to play hardball to protect the budget.
They will play hardball if the competitor refuses a fair deal.
Ballpark figure. Ballpark figure. This phrase refers to a rough estimate rather than an exact number. Use it when you want to give an approximate idea of cost or size.
Can you give me a ballpark figure for the renovation so we can plan?
The architect gave a ballpark figure before the detailed estimate.
Behind the eight ball. Behind the eight ball. This idiom means being in trouble or at a disadvantage, often needing to recover quickly. Use it when circumstances make your task harder.
Because the supplier delayed delivery, we're behind the eight ball on our schedule.
If you start late, you'll be behind the eight ball when the deadline arrives.
Step up to the plate. Step up to the plate. This phrase means to accept responsibility or take decisive action, often when others hesitate. It pairs well with ball is in your court and team player.
When the team leader felt ill, Sarah had to step up to the plate and lead the meeting.
It's time for you to step up to the plate and present your plan.
Move the goalposts. Move the goalposts. This means changing the criteria or rules after someone has started, making it harder to succeed. It's used when someone adjusts expectations unfairly.
They promised a promotion after 6 months, but then moved the goalposts by adding extra requirements.
Don't let them move the goalposts after you've met the original target.
Par force de course. Par force de course. This idiom means something is normal or to be expected, especially when it's not ideal. It comes from golf where par is the expected number of strokes.
Missing a few calls is par for the course during busy seasons.
Delays are par for the course when building a complex system.
Full court press. Full court press. This idiom means launching an intense, coordinated effort to reach an objective, like a deadline push or sales campaign. Use it when everyone is working at maximum effort.
To meet the deadline, we put the whole team on a full court press this week.
The marketing team launched a full court press to boost signups before the promotion ended.
Punt on something. Punt on something. This idiom means to postpone a decision or avoid committing now, often choosing to revisit it later. Use it when more information is needed or time is short.
They decided to punt on the hiring decision until next quarter.
We may have to punt on that feature until the next release.
Batting 1,000. Batting 1,000. This idiom means having a perfect success rate or doing everything right. Use it to praise consistent high performance.
Since the new strategy began, the sales team has been batting 1,000 with conversions up across the board.
When your ideas keep succeeding, you're basically batting 1,000.
Now, let's test your understanding of the idioms. Choose the correct word that goes in the blank. In this example, the sun rises in the morning, so the answer is C, sun. Okay, let's get started. I gave you my plan, so now blank to make the final decision. Her presentation was amazing, and she really blank with that final proposal. When the new project started, he became blank, who helped everyone succeed. The new rules will blank, so every team has a fair chance to win. I promised to remind him, but I blank, and he missed the meeting. After months of failures, she decided to blank and start a new approach. When negotiations got tough, they had to blank and get serious about terms. Can you give me a quick blank for the event budget so we can plan the venue? They felt blank because they lost a key player right before the finals. If nobody volunteers, you will have to blank and lead the presentation. Midway through the deal, they tried to blank by changing the deadlines and scope. Getting extra delays after 3 months was blank, so we expected it. To win the contract, the sales team launched a blank to overwhelm the client with options. Rather than decide now, she chose to blank and revisit it next month. He claimed he was perfect at interviews, but in reality, he was not blank at all.
That wraps our sports idioms playbook. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit subscribe for more 5-star English tips and thanks for watching.